Unveiling the phenomenon, the rise of health and wellness apps. Introduction. In an era marked by technological advancements and a heightened awareness of personal well-being, health and wellness apps have emerged as powerful tools for individuals seeking to optimize their physical and mental health. From fitness tracking to meditation guidance, these digital solutions offer convenience, accessibility, and personalized support like never before. This comprehensive exploration delves into the meteoric rise of health and wellness apps, dissecting the myriad factors fueling their popularity and unraveling the secrets behind their success. The evolution of health and wellness apps. The journey of health and wellness apps began with the advent of smartphones and the proliferation of mobile technology. Initially, these apps were rudimentary tools, offering basic features such as step counting and calorie tracking. However, as consumer demand for more sophisticated solutions grew, developers responded by introducing a diverse array of apps catering to various aspects of health and wellness. Today, these apps encompass a wide spectrum of functionalities, ranging from fitness and nutrition to stress management and sleep tracking. The appeal of health and wellness apps. One of the key drivers behind the popularity of health and wellness apps is their ability to empower individuals to take control of their health journey. Unlike traditional healthcare models, which often involve lengthy wait times and limited access to personalized advice, these apps provide instant access to a wealth of resources and tools. Whether it's scheduling workouts, monitoring dietary habits, or practicing mindfulness exercises, users can tailor their app experience to suit their unique needs and preferences. Moreover, the gamification elements integrated into many health and wellness apps add an element of fun and motivation to the user experience. By awarding badges, setting challenges, and offering rewards for achieving milestones, these apps transform health management into an engaging and interactive process. This gamified approach not only fosters adherence to healthy behaviors but also cultivates a sense of community and camaraderie among users. The role of technology and innovation. The exponential growth of health and wellness apps can be attributed in part to advancements in technology, particularly in the fields of mobile computing, sensor technology, and artificial intelligence. The integration of features such as GPS tracking, heart rate monitoring, and real-time data analysis enhances the functionality and accuracy of these apps, enabling users to make more informed decisions about their health. Furthermore, the rise of wearables, such as fitness trackers and smartwatches, has further fueled the adoption of health and wellness apps by providing seamless integration and continuous monitoring capabilities. These devices serve as valuable companions to apps, offering real-time feedback and insights into users' health metrics, activity levels, and sleep patterns. In addition to technological innovations, the success of health and wellness apps can also be attributed to their focus on user-centric design and personalization. By leveraging user data and feedback, developers can create apps that are tailored to the specific needs and preferences of individual users. Whether it's providing customized workout plans, recommending healthy recipes, or delivering motivational messages, these apps are designed to adapt and evolve with the user, fostering a sense of empowerment and ownership over one's health. The impact on healthcare and wellness. Beyond empowering individuals to manage their own health and wellness apps are also reshaping the healthcare landscape by fostering greater collaboration and communication between patients and healthcare providers. Through features such as remote monitoring, telemedicine consultations, and electronic health records integration, these apps facilitate more seamless and efficient healthcare delivery. Moreover, the data generated by health and wellness apps has the potential to revolutionize preventive care and population health management. By aggregating anonymized data from millions of users, developers and researchers can gain insights into health trends, risk factors, and disease prevalence, allowing for more targeted interventions and policy decisions. However, despite their myriad benefits, health and wellness apps also present challenges and considerations, particularly in the areas of privacy, security, and regulatory compliance. As these apps continue to evolve and proliferate, it will be essential for developers, healthcare providers, and policymakers to work together to address these issues and ensure that users' data and rights are protected. Conclusion. In conclusion, the rise of health and wellness apps represents a paradigm shift in how individuals approach and engage with their health. By harnessing the power of technology, innovation, and user-centric design, these apps have revolutionized the way we monitor, manage, and optimize our well-being. As we look to the future, it is clear that health and wellness apps will play an increasingly integral role in shaping the healthcare landscape, empowering individuals to live healthier, happier, and more fulfilling lives. We invite you to join our community by subscribing to our channel for more engaging content like this. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue creating valuable videos. Stay tuned for our upcoming releases, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you for being part of our journey.